Welcome to day number 10 of the Detox. Today I'm going to be talking about everybody's favorite topic, food. More specifically, cookbooks and how to cook that food. So the first place I'm going to have us start is with the booklets that you got in your packets with your supplements. So either one of these have some great recipes in there, and that is a great place to start. The Standard Process website itself also has some good cooking videos to give you some inspiration on what to cook and how to do it. The next thing I'm going to talk about is some cookbooks that I could not live without, and I will post all of this in the comments below so you don't have to worry about remembering it. The first one is The Joy of Cooking. This is the holy grail of cookbooks. If you need to know anything about how to cook anything, this is the guide to go to. It tells you how to roast a chicken, really basic stuff, how to broil fish, how to prepare rice or oats or buckwheat groats or whatever it is that you want to cook. It's going to be giving you directions in here. And all the pages are just instructions. They're not any pretty pictures in here, but it is going to give you the information that you need to be able to cook those basic things. And I refer to this cookbook all the time. So that would be the first place to go if you're new to cooking. The next one is Nourishing Traditions. This is written by Fallon, and she really championed the movement to be eating more fats and exposed that low-fat diets are really not healthy for us. And she was 100% right. In the beginning of this book, she has a great description on nutrients, especially fats, and why they're important for us, and why traditional recipes are so important for us. Traditional food practices, things like fermentation and soaking. And so if you want to get a little bit more involved, a little bit deeper in the food prep, this book, Nourishing Traditions, is a great place to start. The next one is How to Cook Everything Vegetarian. This book was given to me several years ago, and I have loved this book. I am definitely not a vegetarian, but the majority of what I eat are vegetables. And if I get something from the grocery store or the farmer's market, especially through my weekly CSA in the summertime, let's say I get garlic scapes and I have no idea what to do with garlic scapes, I just go into here. And there's always going to be a recipe for whatever vegetable I'm looking for. And the recipes have never let me down. They are all pretty basic, nothing super fancy, and they are all delicious. Everybody in my family will eat those vegetables that I cook from the recipes in here. It also goes into bean recipes. So any kind of beans that you're cooking with, it will help you with different recipes for that as well. So that one is a really good cookbook to get, especially if you're new to cooking vegetables and you need some new ideas. Just like The Joy of Cooking though, don't look for a bunch of pictures. It's just words in here, just information on how to cook it. And the last one, if you have a juicer at home, Juicing for Life, I like this book an awful lot. It has a lot of different juice recipes that you can start experimenting with. If you don't have a juicer, that's okay too. This is just an extra optional cookbook if you do have a juicer and you like juicing. All right, bon appetit, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 11.